Good evening guys, welcome back to Storm Edugo. Today we will be discussing writing task 2, essay writing. काफ़ी students के लिए this is the biggest headache. Many problems arise, content नहीं मिलता, vocabulary नहीं होता, fluency में दिक्कत आती है. But by brainstorming and discussing these samples together, you will be able to perform well in your IELTS writing task 2. But उसके लिए बने रहना, come back, watch our videos. I'll be discussing many of these topics for you. आपको एग्जाम में आ जाए तो it will definitely be of great help. So let's jump into today's topic. I will be reading this out to you. Our topic is parents want to achieve balance between family and career, but only a few manage to achieve it. I'll repeat this sentence again. Parents want to achieve balance between family and career, but only a few manage to achieve it. अब आपसे क्या पूछा गया है? What do you think is the reason? ये क्यों होता है? Why are parents, not able to achieve a balance between family and career? So what do you think is the reason? And then discuss possible solutions. Let's begin with the introductory paragraph, and we have a couple of difficult words on here. So मेरा advice है कि अपने आगे एक piece of paper रखो, take a pen or pencil, vocabulary की list बनाओ so that you can use it in your essays later on as well. So, intro paragraph. In the modern landscape of professional pursuits and in the modern landscape of professional pursuits and familial responsibilities, achieving a harmonious equilibrium between family life and career aspirations remains an elusive goal for many parents. This was my opening line. So मैंने बेसिकली क्वेश्चन में जो दिया गया है उसी को पैराफ्रेज किया है in my own words. I'll repeat this. In the modern landscape, आप लोग लिख सकते हो in the modern world, in the contemporary era. So one notch higher, in the modern landscape of professional pursuits and familial responsibilities. फैमिली रिलेटेड चीज़ों को आप फेमिलियल बोल सकते हो, FAMILIAL. सो अचीविंग अ हार्मोनियस बैलेंस, अचीविंग अ हार्मोनियस इक्विलिब्रियम बिटवीन फैमिली लाइफ एंड करियर एस्पिरेशंस रिमेन्स एन इल्यूसिव गोल फॉर मैनी पेरेंट्स. इल्यूसिव का मीनिंग होता है ELUSIVE, जो आसानी से मिलता नहीं है, something that keeps on escaping us. Okay, now while the desire for such equilibrium is universal, right? ये desire कि ऐसा equilibrium हो, ये desire तो universal है, everybody in the world wants it. Universal की जगह पे you can use the synonym ubiquitous, UBIQUITIOUS. Ubiquitous means हर जगह, everywhere. Okay, so while the desire for such equilibrium is universal or ubiquitous, its attainment मतलब पाना, its attainment is marred by various factors. MARRED. मार्ड मतलब रोक दिया जाता है, ठीक है? इट इज प्रिवेंटेड. इट्स अटेनमेंट, वो इक्विलिब्रियम का अटेनमेंट, वो इक्विलिब्रियम को पाना, इट इज मार्ड बाय वेरियस फैक्टर्स. नाउ आपको क्या पूछा है? रीजंस एंड सॉल्यूशंस. सो दिस एसे विल एक्सप्लोर द रीजंस बिहाइंड दिस चैलेंज एंड प्रपोज पोटेंशियल सॉल्यूशंस supported by relevant examples. So that was your introductory paragraph. आपने paraphrasing भी किया है, question में जो लिखा था you've written that in your own words. You've also mentioned that this essay will talk about the reasons and the solutions. Now in the next paragraph, first we will go on to the reasons. Okay, before proposing the solutions we need to talk about the reasons, right, कि ये क्यों होता है. So first reason here, one primary reason for the struggle to balance family and career stems from the demands. Stems from मतलब वहाँ से आता है, it comes from there. Okay, so one primary reason for the struggle to balance family and career stems from the demands of contemporary work culture, that is modern work culture. अब इसी चीज को elaborate, elucidate और डिटेल में बताया है. In today's fast-paced and competitive environment, individuals often find themselves immersed. Immersed मतलब उसमें पूरी तरीके से डूब जाना या पूरी तरीके से खो जाना, completely involved in that. Okay, so in today's fast-paced and competitive environment, individuals often find themselves immersed in demanding jobs that require long hours and constant availability. The relentless मतलब लगातार, non-stop, continuous, थके बिना. Okay, the relentless pursuit of professional success often comes at the expense of family time and personal well-being. Comes at the expense of मतलब वो चीज़ तो आपको मिल जाती है, you get your professional success, but it comes at the expense of what? सामने आप क्या खोते हो. So it comes at the expense of family time and personal well-being. Now we will move on to reason number 2. Reason number 2 is another significant obstacle. Obstacle मतलब रुकावट. Another significant obstacle to achieving work-life balance is the lack of adequate support systems for parents. Adequate means sufficient, enough. Okay, so lack of adequate support systems for parents. What support system are they talking about? Many parents face challenges in accessing affordable and high quality child care options, especially in regions where such services are scarce or prohibitively expensive. Okay, we are talking about affordable child care. For example, if a mother and father, they want to have good careers, right, they want to go to the office, they want to do their jobs, they need somebody to look after their children, so they turn to child care. But unfortunately in many areas child care या तो scarce है, उतने services है नहीं, and अगर है तो they might be prohibitively expensive, which means very very expensive. Okay, so that's what we are talking about. Without reliable child care support, parents are forced to juggle. Juggling करना, 2-3 चीजें एक साथ संभालने की कोशिश करना. ठीक है, parents are forced to juggle their work responsibilities with caregiving duties, leading to stress and exhaustion. So we are done with the intro paragraph. हमने 2 reasons भी बता दिए why this is happening, why people are not being able to achieve work-life balance. Now do you remember the next part of the question? Next part में क्या बोला? You have to provide solutions to this problem, right? So we will move on to the solutions, and that starts over here. To address these challenges, employers जो आपको नौकरी पे रखते हैं, your employer, right? Employers and policy makers must implement मतलब अमल करना, must implement measures to support working parents. किस तरीके के measures की बात हो रही है? flexible work arrangements such as remote work options. So after the pandemic, everybody knows what remote work is, right? Work from home, you can work from everywhere. Hybrid भी होता है कि आप हफ्ते के कुछ दिन ऑफिस जाओ, कुछ दिन वर्क फ्रॉम होम करो. So these kind of remote work options and flexible hours can empower करना मतलब power देना, can empower parents to fulfill both their professional and their familial obligations effectively. Obligations basically means आपकी जवाबदारी, your responsibilities. Okay. Now we move on to the next solution. Additionally, initiatives aimed at expanding access to affordable childcare services. हमने childcare services की बात की थी, right? So here we are talking about initiatives that are aimed towards affordable childcare services, such as what? Subsidies for daycare centers and tax incentives for employers offering childcare benefits can alleviate the burden on working parents. Alleviate का meaning होता है कम करना. For example, I have a bad headache, but Crocin लेने के बाद मेरा headache alleviate हो गया, not elevate. Okay, ALLEVIATE, उसकी intensity कम होना. So we can provide subsidies for daycare centers, and we can also provide tax incentives to those companies who are offering childcare benefits. So now we have talked about the solutions as well, right? Moving on, we will talk about another solution. So I have used the connector furthermore because now I am talking about a new point. Okay. So furthermore, fostering a cultural shift towards work-life integration is essential. Companies can promote a culture of workplace wellness and family-friendly policies that prioritize employee well-being and promote a healthy balance between work and family life. So in this point, we are putting the onus on the companies, on the employers, right? That they can have more family friendly policies so that their employees can juggle work and family better. So by championing, by supporting, by promoting, by championing a more inclusive का मतलब होता है you don't exclude anyone, right? Exclude का opposite है include. So we are talking about inclusive. By championing a more inclusive and supportive work environment, organizations can cultivate greater employee satisfaction and productivity. Now we have also talked about the solutions. Maybe आपके दिमाग में और ideas आ रहे हो. I have given you 2 reasons. I have given you 3 solutions. You can think about more solutions as well. How this problem can be addressed. You can maybe jot down a couple of ideas in your paper if it's coming to mind. Now we will move on to the conclusion. In conclusion, while the pursuit of a harmonious balance between family and career remains a daunting task, DAUNTING, daunting is challenging, डरावना, ठीक है? So it remains a daunting task for many parents. It is not impossible. It is not insurmountable. Insurmountable. The spelling INSURMOUNTABLE. So basically it is not impossible, ठीक है? By addressing the underlying challenges and implementing supportive measures both at the organizational and societal levels, we can create an environment where parents can thrive. पेरेंट्स तरक्की कर सकते हैं, राइट? पेरेंट्स कैन थ्राइव both personally and professionally. The word count for this essay was 314 words, which is a bit excess. Basically IELTS wants you to write between 250 to 290 words. थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाए तो it is okay. There is not much of a problem. I have also listed down a couple of words that I came across in this essay. You all know the meaning of family. You have families. Factors. So factors means basically things that contribute to a result. Then contemporary. आप modern की जगह पे contemporary बोल सकते हो. Then we have environment, which is your surroundings. Child care, the care of children, especially when we talk about working parents, child care for their children. Employers are people or organizations that employ workers. Then we have work arrangements. You know what kind of work arrangements do you have? The way you work, the style that you work in, right? Then you know cultural, work-life integration. So work-life integration means balancing your work with your personal life. Then you have the workplace, which is the place where you go and do your job. Wellness matlab your health, your mental health, your physical health, your spiritual health. Family friendly, हम बोलते हैं ना, this is a family friendly restaurant. So a place where families feel welcome. Then again well-being. Well-being matlab your being healthy or happy. Sorry. Then we have employee. Employee, employer जो आपको नौकरी पे रखता है. Employee, if you are working somewhere, that is EMPLOY. And productivity, आप कितना काम कर सकते हो, कितने अच्छे से कर सकते हो, how effectively you can do your work. Now this is an essay which is very likely to get a 7.5 or 8 band score. The vocabulary is good, the grammatical range and grammatical accuracy is as per what they want. We've also covered all parts of the question, right? So if you are interested in getting this sample answer delivered to you, then please comment below. We'll reach out to you. We'll make sure you get the answer. You can also keep coming back to our page because we will be covering a lot of topics and you will be able to do your entire IELTS prep sitting at home. Moreover, you can also contact us on the number that has been provided. We also provide offline classes. So you can do all of that and none of this will be possible without your support. So what I really want is that you give me a like, you also subscribe to this channel so that all of this content reaches you as soon as it is out. I hope you enjoyed the session.